On December 14, 2025, an Arkansas state trooper initiated a traffic stop on an 18-wheeler after observing the driver without a seatbelt. What appeared to be a routine commercial vehicle inspection soon raised several red flags that led to a much closer look inside the trailer. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
He's got a white shirt, like an orange seatbelt, right behind him. 833-646. The Roger. 171 East. It's a tractor trailer, Wisconsin. 833-646. 833-646, Wisconsin. That don't sound good, whatever that is. What was that?
Will it open? I'm good. I'm not going to write you a ticket, but you see me sitting back there in the median, put that seatbelt on, okay? You got it on now. I saw you plain as day. You did not have it on when you come by me. It might have been buckled behind you, but you did not have it on, okay? There's another trooper back there. You just passed blue lights. You saw him coming up, me coming up, so I don't know if you just weren't paying attention or what, but then you see me from here to there. Throw that seatbelt on, okay? All right, but leave it on 24/7, okay? Let me look at your license real quick. I'm Trooper Price, State Police. Where are you from?
Georgia.
Georgia.
Let me make sure this is the right one. Yes, sir.
Are you loaded or empty?
Loaded.
Loaded. Let me look at your bills real quick. You from DeSoto? Where are you coming out of?
I came right out of Dallas, Texas.
Okay. What are you hauling?
I think it's like maybe some electronics.
Okay. Let me look at your log real quick. You got a logbook? This your company? You owner operator? You just work for them?
No, sir, I work for them.
Okay. How many trucks they got?
Started with.
How long you been with them? A week. Oh, so you brand new. What'd you do before? Did you drive trucks before just for a different company? Who'd you drive for?
A company out of Atlanta, Georgia called Covenant Transport.
Okay.
Yes.
Covenant's a big company, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Why'd you get away from them?
Well, they got away from me. They did an annual MVR report, and
Do you have some tickets or something?
yeah, I had a ticket, a following too close ticket that I got before I got my CDLs, and they did an annual, and it was something that the insurance, I get the insurance already.
You got it before you got your CDLs?
Yes, sir.
So are you coming from Oklahoma City?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You went to Oklahoma City, then
In Dallas.
to Dallas,
Yes, sir.
and then back up.
Yes, sir.
You going to Chicago, or where are you going?
Yeah, I'm going to Chicago, but I'm about to get ready to stop in a minute. I've been waiting.
Okay. What'd you take to OKC?
The truck was in the shop.
In the shop?
Yes, sir.
In OKC?
Uh-huh.
What'd you have done to it?
I got the tires changed on my right side on my trailer.
Okay. You got your receipts or anything for it? You pay cash or card? Company card?
Card,
Yeah,
company
you
card.
should have got a receipt. You pay company card. Did you pick up at a warehouse or something in Dallas?
No, like I said, we have.
Is this what you normally do? Just do Amazon returns?
Yeah. So basically, he have it in a box truck on the yard, and he just load the truck.
Okay.
And then I just ship it to Chicago. But let me see that phone.
Yeah, you're good.
I think I have the receipt.
How many pallets you got?
About 3.
3?
Yes, sir.
Are they boxes or what are they? Okay. Are they like wrapped or anything? Or just
They're
crates?
They're wooden boxes.
Oh, okay.
I didn't get a chance to see.
I got you.
On the inside of it, but
Okay. Well, look for those receipts. Let me check your stuff. I'll be back in a second, okay?
got some tires done. I got my heater fixed. Got some of my fluids topped off. Stuff like that.
All right. You can have that back. Let me check your stuff out. Give me just a second, all right?
Okay.
Going from Dallas drop lot to Chicago drop lot. Got 3 pallets for Amazon returns.
Are your pallets strapped in back there? Or they just boxed in. Let's look at them, make sure if they ain't falling over, if that's fine with you. Who's the owner? Who's the owner?
It's an Indian guy named Singh.
How do you meet him all the way from Arizona? How do you meet him all the way from Arizona if you live in Georgia?
Friend of a friend.
Huh. That's all you hauling back?
Yep.
Okay. You care if I go up in there and look, check the paperwork on him? Okay. All right. No paperwork on these crates.
He could have let me drove the box truck to Chicago to the police.
Let me ask you something.
I think one of them pallets wrong.
What do you mean wrong?
He just called me and said he got one of the wrong pallets on there, and I got to come back.
You got to go back to Dallas right now?
He told me to turn around.
Well, let me ask you this. Would you care if I take some of those screws off, just look inside, make sure my Amazon package is in there?
Nah, I have to call and let him give you that.
Well, you're the driver, so.
Yeah, I know. I still have to call him.
Right, but you're responsible for that load, so would you be okay with me?
Not me being okay.
Okay. Okay, all right, stand right here just a second, okay? Give me just a second. I need a dog. 1351, can you 1019? He doesn't want, there's no paperwork on these crates in here. They're just wooden crates. There's no paperwork on them whatsoever. He don't want me open them. They're screwed. I asked him if I could unscrew them. He said one of the pallets is wrong. He's got to turn around and go back to Dallas, is what he said. He was in Oklahoma City yesterday, then dropped down to Dallas and then back up this way. Number. Here's what we're going to do, okay? Since you don't want me opening the crates, that's perfectly fine, all right? But my partner, she just got a narcotics K9. She's just going to run the K9 around these boxes real quick, okay? We're just going to check, all right? So I'm just looking at this paperwork. And you ever hauled Amazon returns before?
Yeah, I think it's like my second one.
Okay.
Yeah.
For this company? Okay. So, all right. So let me talk to her real quick. You can walk right down here. Give me just a second, okay? So he was in Oklahoma City all day yesterday, and then this morning left, dropped down to Dallas to pick up these 3 crates for Amazon returns. There's no paperwork on those crates in there whatsoever. He just now decided to tell me that his boss just called him since I've been on this stop and told him that he's got to go back to Dallas to pick up another crate because one of those is wrong, is what he's saying. And he gets all the way here, and he just now figures it out when I stop him. But this little lady, I mean, it's just Dallas drop lot, Chicago drop lot. Like, there's nothing on there, but like, it's just very generic, just Amazon returns. There's nothing. Did he go to that? Do what now? His log shows Dallas, yeah, but it's just a little drop lot. Like, he picked up 3 pallets from a box truck. That's what he claims at that parking lot.
So he did not consent?
He don't want me to open those boxes. He said he needs to call his boss. So I was want to unscrew them.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you want to run them inside or outside or however you want to do it. So no. I mean, they're closed shut. So it's up to you.
Yeah, give me a second. All
right.
You good?
So you just, I guess, box truck, just loaded straight to that truck?
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes those are the partials. We call those partials. But for the most part, I go to docks and get loaded.
They normally send you from Dallas to Chicago with
I got like
just 3 boxes?
Nah.
Or you normally have a full load?
Yeah, I normally have a full load. I was like, damn, that's all we got today?
Yeah. I don't know. Normally there's paperwork, stuff like that on them, so they just may not put none on there. I don't know. And normally Amazon's in like, it's not even in crates like that. It's just like mail. I'll tell you what, you ain't in trouble, but if you want to sit in my front seat in the heat, you can, or you can stand out here. Yeah, I'll sit with you. Have a seat in the front seat. So you've been with this company for a week, and you've already hauled 2 loads?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is your second load from Dallas?
So this is my second load from Oklahoma City.
This your second one from Oklahoma?
No, this my. So I dropped one in Oklahoma City.
What did you drop?
I don't know what I was hauling at the moment.
But you don't remember what you hauled to Oklahoma City? What, I mean, was it crates like this?
Yeah.
Just like this? Okay. How many was it that you took to Oklahoma City? Do you normally pick up in Oklahoma City and take to Dallas, or do you drive all the way to Dallas empty?
I wasn't empty. It's usually one after another.
Okay. So I mean, what'd you take to Dallas today or whenever? So you left Oklahoma City this morning, right?
Yeah.
You went to Dallas?
Yep.
So did you take anything to Dallas to drop?
Yes, I got unloaded and I got loaded.
So what did you take to Dallas?
I got loaded and unloaded out of OKC.
Okay.
And then
where'd you get unloaded at in OKC?
I'm not sure.
You don't.
Everything is on paperwork. Everything's on paperwork.
Okay. Is it whatchamacallit? Is it like a warehouse, or you just do drop box?
Yeah, it was a warehouse.
In Oklahoma City?
Mm-hmm.
Like a big or small?
Small.
Small? Mm-hmm. How many docks?
Probably about one or two.
Oh, one or two?
2 or 3.
Okay. So do you get dispatched to these like on dispatch, or boss man just say, hey, go pick these up?
We have a dispatch team.
Okay. But I mean, does somebody call you using an app or what?
Yeah, we use the app.
App, okay. Have you been to Chicago before, or this is the first time?
I think it's like my first time going to Chicago.
Okay. So how does that work? Does he take the box truck and just back up to you, and just go straight to truck to truck?
Yeah, and then we have a pallet jack that.
If you're doing just is it like a parking lot, a drop lot, or something like that? Okay. So y'all just back.
Yeah, we just
in. Okay. Just make sure you ain't unloading it on the ground and loading it back up. So.
Hello, how's it going, sir? My name's Trooper. Can you on the state police? Any reason why my dog would alert to the vehicle? No.
She alert to it?
Yeah.
Nope,
You sure?
No idea.
Are you aware of the conscience?
I don't know what's in those boxes.
Okay. Where'd you pick those boxes up from?
Out of Dallas, Texas.
All of them?
Yeah.
You sure?
You didn't bring any of those from Oklahoma, did you?
No.
Okay, but you're 1,000% sure.
Now's the time to be honest about what you think might be in there. Do you smoke marijuana or anything?
Okay.
So you don't smoke marijuana in the truck at all?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, here, let me have you hop out real quick. We're gonna just take a seat back here real quick.
You're not putting your handcuffs, something like that, okay? We're just going to check the truck. We just want to be our safety. I got to be out of the truck, but you're good. So you can hop out.
I'm just going to put it right here, okay?
You have a drill?
A drill?
A Phillips head?
Say what?
I just need a Phillips head. Yeah. I don't think Amazon's going to haul their packages back in brand new wood. And it's possible if he was in OKC, he might have dropped down to Dallas, dropped something else off. It's crazy now that he's been stopped. He's just obviously forgot a pallet, or one of them's wrong, I can smell it. Yep. Smell it. It smells like wood.
Yeah.
And those are just buffer box are loaded. I told you. I told you.
Quick, come on, let's get this shit. Come on.
I knew it. I freaking knew it, Anna. Bingo. Good job. Yep, good job, Anna.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is just a cover box. 1351 Little Rock. Or correction.
Go ahead, 30.
Correction, 1350 Little Rock.
1355.
Contact Taylor's, we're 1015. Just drive it in, it's a semi-truck.
10-4, 513.
Locked up. Whoa. What's going on, Chief?
You're under arrest.
Am I really?
Yeah, we'll talk about it just a little bit, okay?
Serious?
Yep.
Michael Magera was arrested and transported to the Lonoke County Sheriff's Office, where he was interviewed by the Central Arkansas Drug Task Force. Although he was ultimately released without charges, investigators seized approximately 827 pounds of suspected marijuana and transferred the evidence to the Central Arkansas Drug Task Force as the investigation remained ongoing. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.